Yep, it's Monday Morning Fabrics. Yay! And so we have some great selections. So we're doing a webcast tomorrow on just unique fabrics. And one of the things, I mean, stripes are not that unique, but I really wanted to bring them in because there's so many great stripes out there. So today we're all stripes and we're all $14.99. That is today only, because after you see what I did with them, you'll want them. Okay. Anyway, so this is stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. I love this little bit of silver glitter all through here. I had to make something with that. It was amazing. I love this stripe. It so ties in with this. If you did a cardigan and a little top, or even pants out of this. This is 100% viscose. It's a satin weave. Viscose is the fiber, satin is the weave. Again, 100% viscose, $14.99. This is the steal of the day. Today only. Today only. They'll get marked right back up tomorrow. This is a cornflower blue. Both of these are, but this first one is this linear. Great fabric. Just a beautiful fabric for a top, a shirt. Would be wonderful out of this for the holidays. That is a cotton poly. This also cotton poly, same as the salmon, but just the blue. Love this. Just love the color on this. Oh my goodness. Cotton poly, stretch in both directions, and both sides can be used. You know, I can't tell the difference between one side and another. They're really very nice. This is a cotton poly. This is kind of like a poncheroma. Great for a jacket. Just really gorgeous. Only one side usable on here. It has stretch in both directions, but it's not big stretch. This is 100% cotton. I love this. Oh my goodness. This is a stretch woven, stretch in one direction, 100% cotton. Oh, lovely. Black with a white stripe. Oh, what a classic. Love it. All $14.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.